Hey there, thrill seekers and aerial enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the adrenaline-pumping world of FPV drones with the DJI Avata to Fly More combo. Prepare to unlock the ultimate immersive flying experience with the DJI Avata 2. This FPV drone is not just about capturing stunning footage. It's about feeling like you're right there in the cockpit, experiencing the thrill and freedom of flight like never before. With the DJI Avata 2 and its included DJI Goggles 3, you'll enjoy prompt visual feedback that puts you in the pilot's seat. It's like having your own personal aircraft, allowing you to explore the skies from a breathtaking perspective. And get this, controlling the Avata 2 is a breeze, thanks to its intuitive motion control system. No complex buttons here, just natural, easy movements that even beginners can master with confidence and ease. But that's not all. With the Avata 2, you can fly like a pro in no time, performing jaw-dropping flips, rolls, and 180 drifts with ease. Plus, with its super-wide 155 FOV and stunning 4K 60fps video, you'll capture every moment in crisp detail. Safety is paramount, which is why the Avata 2 comes equipped with a built-in propeller guard. This super sturdy feature ensures durability and peace of mind, allowing you to fly more freely in any scenario. And when it comes to content creation, the Avata 2 has you covered. Lightweight, portable, and ready to film at a moment's notice, this drone is your ticket to hassle-free POV content. Plus, with the Lightcut app's templates, editing and sharing your footage has never been easier. So whether you're a seasoned FPV pilot or a beginner looking to elevate your flying skills, the DJI Avata to Fly More combo is your ticket to capturing stunning moments from the skies. Get yours today and unleash your aerial adventure.